Hello and welcome to Minor Tax Walkthrough to export all the required reports for your taxes. Now this is mainly for the US, but most countries have similar laws. For income tax, select your currency and enter the hotspot or owner address. The law says that mining income is the daily total coins times daily market price. The reason is whatever you mine, you could cash out the same day, so that is considered your income. Here you can see daily and monthly totals with export CSV per month. Please note that there are two different views, one for each hotspot and one for your owner account with all the hotspots total. Under owner, you can export yearly report. The second taxable event is called capital gains tax. This means that whenever you cash out to dollars, trade for another coin, or use as payment for business expenses, you spend that coins, so the law taxes the coin value differences. Minor tax uses FIFO, first in, first out accounting method that is most common around the world. Get started by entering your hotspot or address. Minor tax will look up your main wallet. After unlocking, begin the syncing process. Please note that depending on how early you started mining, the first sync could take hundreds of pages to add to the database. Please just leave the browser running until it is completed. Otherwise, you will need to resume syncing. Once synced, you will see a list of inventory and exit pulled from your main wallet. Inventory is all the coins you ever mined, buy, and received. Exit is all the coins you cash out, traded, or expense. You can easily add more inventory or exit anytime. You can also import CSV downloaded from Binance or upload a custom CSV. Please make sure to review each transaction as the system does not know any other wallets you may use to cash out like exchanges or ledger or hardware wallet. You must whitelist these wallets so the algorithm knows to skip them and not count them during the FIFO process. If everything looks right, simply click Run FIFO to calculate capital gains. Then you will see a new list of sold coins. Click Export FIFO for a CSV of the report that is formatted just like the IRS Form 8949 with all the columns and totals. We are working on adding a lot more coins soon. Please visit minortax.com and subscribe today.